Welcome to the Technical Deep family. In this video, we are going to learn about MySQL, that is sequential query language, and the like aim for this video is only 5 likes. Okay, so those who are watching this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also if you want to subscribe to the channel, then certainly subscribe to the channel. This will motivate me, and also it will motivate me to bring contents for you all. So let's start the proceedings. The first thing that we need to do here is open MySQL command line client, and I'm going to give the password 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is my password. And when you are installing MySQL client, that is the package, you will have to set the password. If you want a video on that, then do comment. I will certainly make a video on that as well, how to install and download that particular software, that is MySQL Workbench and also the command line client. So here the first thing that we need to do here is check for the databases. So for that you have to type show databases semicolon to terminate the statement, and after that you can see that I have these databases here. Okay, watch the video till the end, do not skip the video, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything. So the next thing that we are going to do here, if we want to use any kind of existing databases, then we can do it from this as well. Otherwise I will be creating a new database. Create database, and I'm going to name the database today in this video as video semicolon to terminate, and you can see query OK, one row affected, 0.08 seconds it took. So I'm going to use this database, that is video. So I will type use video semicolon to terminate, enter. So it says database has been changed. The next thing that we are going to do here is create a table inside this database. So how can we do that? We just need to type create table. The name of the table will be today semicolon to terminate. I'm sorry, not semicolon to terminate, where we have to open the bracket, and after that we have to go to the next line and we have to create the column headings. Okay, we have to create the column headings for this table today. The name of the table is today. So what type of column headings I will be giving? I will be giving ID. This will be of integer data type, and I will be giving a comma. Next I will be giving first name f underscore name, then the data type will be varchar. Inside varchar the capacity will be, let's say, 30, and after that we have to give a comma again. Next I will be giving last name, another column will be varchar, and the capacity will be 30 as well, comma, and after that I will be giving address. This will be varchar as well, capacity will be 30, which is more than enough for an address, comma, and another we are going to give is phone number. Okay, phone number, and phone number will be integer. This will be okay, only integer. So after that we have to give, so phone number will be of integer data type. Then I will be pressing enter and closing this bracket and semicolon and press enter, and you can see query is okay, 0 rows affected. Now I am going to check the structure of this table. For that I will be typing describe, name of the table is video, and semicolon to terminate, enter. Okay, so it says that video.video doesn't exist. Okay, so here what mistake we did, we described the database. We don't have to describe the database, we have to type today. I got a bit confused over there. So DESC, you can use DESC or you can write in full describe So after typing describe, you have to type the table name, that is today, semicolon, enter. So you can see the field names, ID, first name, last name, address, phone number, and their data types. Nothing, everything is null over here, and no primary key. The default is null, and there is no extras in this 5 row. In set in 0.5 seconds, this has appeared in front of me. Now we have to do some data entries over here. So for that you have to type the command insert into. So insert into, the name of the table is video. Press enter. After that we have to type values, enter. We have to open the bracket, and accordingly we have to give. So ID is integer, I will be giving 1 2 3 as the ID, then comma, first name. So let's type any first name. So for varchar you can use either double quotation or single quotation, any one of them will work. So I'm using the double quotation over here. So I will be typing any name, Shubham, and the last name will be, let's say, Sarkar, and after that we'll be giving another comma, and we have to give the address. So let's say Kolkata, again comma, and we have to give the phone number. So phone number's data type is again integer data type, so I will be typing any phone number over here, and then close the bracket, and then we have to give another comma over here and press enter for the next one. So I will be entering a few datas and I will be right back. So all the datas has been entered, and after entering all the datas you can see how I have entered the data. And make sure you are watching this video in high resolution, by which you can see the proceedings of the commands properly. So after closing the bracket of the last row that we have created, we have to give a semicolon and then press enter. And you can see there is an error which is telling something, so we have to fix that at the moment. Okay, so we did that error again. So we have to type insert into today. So today is the name of the table. I always forgot about that, so we have to rectify that. So here we have to type insert, have patience, into today. Our command was correct, but only that mistake happened. Okay, and I have copied that and I will paste this, and now let's press enter. So it's telling me there is something, some problem over here. Okay, so Mumbai, so there was some problem over there, so we have to check it out once again. Okay, so I fixed the issue, and you can see that I have entered only 2 datas inside my table today, that is 2 records. So records are 2, no duplicates and no more warnings. So now let's select all from today. So I will be selecting all the columns from today, and you can see the ID, the first name, the last name, the address, and the phone number. Now if I want to do query on particular 2 columns, let's say select first name from today. So I am selecting the first name column, and you can see the first name Rohit and Shikhar. Okay, and similarly I can do select last name from today, and you can see the last name has been selected. Now we can do conditional query as well inside this. So select all from today, where let's say phone number, let's say ID is greater than 120. So here we have given the condition id is greater than 120. It will select those columns where the id is greater than 120. So it should be Shikhar Dhawan, whose id is 130. So let's see if it works. Yes, we have selected the right record. 130 Shikhar Dhawan, Delhi, and his phone number has been given. So now let's do it like this. Select all from today where, this is called the where clause, you can use it, where now let's say address is equal to, now let's say Mumbai. So it should give, technically it should give Rohit Sharma. Yes, we have done it correctly. So it's giving us Rohit Sharma. So now I will be showing you a dummy table which is present inside this particular SQL command line, where you can do simple calculations. So this is how you can do it. So let's say select 4 multiplied by 3, and you can see 4 into 3 is 12. Similarly you can do it like this. Select 4 plus 3, so it's 7. Again you can do it like this. Select 25 slash 5, so it says 5. So it's in decimal, that is double data type. And you can do it like this as well. Select, let's see if it gives us the quotient as well. I mean the remainder. Select 25 modulus 5. Yes, it's telling the modulus, that is the mod, that is the remainder is 0. That's perfect. Let's see. Select, so you can do all the basic calculations like this. Select 4 minus 2, it is 2. So this is how you can do calculations inside MySQL 8.0 command line client as well. Do watch the video till the end. It has been a long video already, but I think you should watch this video till the end to find out all the processes. Let me know in the comments that what you have learned, and also what kind of suggestions you would like to give me as far as the videos are concerned. And do watch the channel as well. It takes a lot of efforts, and also takes a lot of time to record all these videos and also do all the things. So like aim for the video, as I mentioned earlier in the video, is only 5 likes. So do try to complete that. And if you want to join the Technical Deep family, then you can certainly join the Technical Deep family, as I upload videos regularly on computer related topics. And if you are interested in computer tips, computer tricks, computer tutorials, and also overall computer education, then do subscribe this channel for more videos. Till then, goodbye, and all of you take care. See you all again next time. Bye bye.